Are you passionate about solving environmental issues and making a real impact? The University of Alberta's Environmental Studies program offers a unique interdisciplinary degree that empowers you to address and solve complex environmental challenges. You can enroll in this unique program through either the Faculty of Arts or the Faculty of Agricultural, Life, and Environmental Sciences. This program is offered by the University of Alberta, located in Edmonton, Alberta, which is ranked among the top 4 universities in Canada and the top 100 globally. With 41,000 students across 5 campuses, U of A provides exceptional opportunities and is recognized as the leading North American institution for sustainability in research, stewardship, outreach, and teaching. Why choose environmental studies? This degree includes 3 concentrations you can choose from, which include Culture, Society, and Peoples of Canada. Understand Canada's environmental challenges and study Indigenous perspectives and issues in environmental and resource management. With Politics, Society, and the Global Environment, learn about political and social methodologies relevant for understanding environmental issues from a global perspective. The Food and Society concentration explores issues related to sustainable food and agriculture, incorporating social, political, cultural, economic, ethical, and feminist perspectives on issues of contemporary food production. Take courses from the Faculty of Agricultural, Life, and Environmental Sciences, the Faculty of Arts, the Faculty of Science, and the Faculty of Native Studies. This diverse curriculum provides a comprehensive understanding of environmental issues from multiple perspectives. Develop scientific literacy and critical thinking skills essential for analyzing complex problems and evaluating sustainable solutions. Explore a wide range of subjects, including food, natural resource economics, politics, biology, geology, history, and sociology. This broad education ensures you graduate with a well-rounded perspective and the skills to build a more sustainable world. Under the program, you can be part of the Environmental Studies Student Association, where you can connect with peers in your program and make lasting friendships.
Hi, my name is Amy Smith. I am a 4th-year Environmental Studies student, and I'm the president of the Environmental Studies Students Association for 2024-2025. We've got a lot of super amazing opportunities for incoming students and even students that feel like they're having trouble figuring out where their place is in the program. We do networking opportunities and career exploration events with speakers from different industries. We do events to connect students from all different years inside of the program. So ESSA started in 2021. I joined in 2022, and it's been a really amazing experience to see the program grow and see the Students Association grow. I felt like I didn't know a lot of people in the Environmental Studies program my first couple of years. It was really hard in large classes to find people in such a small program, but the Environmental Studies Students Association really helped me find my place and make friends who I think will be lifelong friends and create a community, and hopefully we'll continue to create more community for those incoming into the program.
This degree opens doors to a variety of fields and careers. Alumni have excelled in diverse roles, including sustainability consultant, environmental education specialist, policy analyst, environmental and Indigenous relations advisor, and communications officer. Throughout your degree, you have several options for hands-on learning that allow you to apply classroom knowledge in real-world settings. These include studying abroad, internships, and pursuing undergraduate credentials. Art students can access highly relevant co-op opportunities through the Arts Work Experience program. Agricultural, Life, and Environmental Science, or AILS students, can participate in the AILS Mini Internship Program or Science Internship Program, where they apply academic knowledge to the workplace. One standout opportunity is the Certificate in Sustainability, which challenges you to apply what you learn in the classroom to solve real-world problems. Your independent project can focus on renewable resources, social sustainability, waste and recycling, or other areas with significant environmental benefits. This is your chance to delve deeper into a previous school project or build on an internship volunteer work or fieldwork experience. See what past students have to say about this program.
I have always been passionate about sustainability, but I felt that programs that focused only on science did not capture the interdisciplinary approach that I wanted to explore in expanding my learning. The Environmental Studies program gave me a very balanced understanding of environmental issues by exploring them through both the lenses of an arts program, exploring topics such as sociology, philosophy, political science, as well as the lenses of a science program, looking at biology, ecology, and earth sciences. It has prepared me for a career where I'm able to develop effective solutions to environmental issues, while also understanding why they exist and what may motivate people to change behaviors.
The program has played a significant role in leading me to my current job of providing advice and support to government on policies related to energy, the environment, and sustainability, and I am extremely grateful for the education it provided me.
I would advise students considering the Environmental Studies program to fully engage with its interdisciplinary curriculum, exploring the diverse subjects that will broaden your understanding of environmental challenges. Embrace every opportunity for hands-on learning and stay open-minded and curious, as the program will push you to think critically and innovatively about creating sustainable solutions.
Don't miss out on this chance to make a difference and enhance your education. Join the Environmental Studies program at the University of Alberta to explore your passions, develop essential skills, and prepare for a rewarding career that makes a positive impact on the world. Visit our website to learn more about the admission requirements and program overview and start your journey today.